In August, my research began in France. Those who master the flow, master manufacturing. Even with advanced logistics software, the factory flow just didn't match reality. Reproducing a factory in software is harder than I imagined. We faced a strange contradiction. Our warehouses were full of stock, yet the cars weren't reaching customers on time. V was a puzzle we couldn't solve. But then we discovered that Nissan in Japan had already solved these very challenges years ago. Their system is incredible. Parts arrive exactly as planned. Processes run in perfect order. And if anything gets disrupted, the later stages automatically adjust to compensate. Reproducing this precise living flow in a simulator is surprisingly difficult. B. But this level of precision isn't just technology, it reflects Japan's relentless culture of improvement. Carrying this technology forward, it's now our turn. I know I can do it. It's time to take one step forward, starting tomorrow.